everyone. Welcome to your weekly reading. Welcome to Mysterious Box. This reading is from 24th of May to 31st of May, so not exactly weekly reading. It is the end May month reading. So I have pulled few cards here which I'll be clarifying in a while. So let's go ahead and see what these 7-8 days, the end of May, bringing us towards. And also astrologically we have Saturn turning retrograde, so I'll also be posting zodiac by Saturn retrograde videos in few days, so stay tuned. Also on 26th of May we are going to have a lunar eclipse, and it is going to massively affect our mindset and the way we think. It is going to affect, moon affects our mind, right? So it is going to affect our mind. All right, so let's get ready with our reading. So the first card is from the Symbologry card, and and the message is peace. So probably this week, or rather these 8 days from 24th to 31st, it's all about harmonizing with one own self, acceptance, peace, being ready for the next phase of life. Let me just put, then the next card is from the Wisdom of Oracle, which says co-create. So you're co-creating your life with the divine, okay? So you're never alone. So in case you feeling something might have happened in your life and you're feeling a little lost, you're creating your life with the divine. This is the message. So have peace, make peace with the situation, harmonize yourself. If you can see, there are 3 circles, and circles represent on earth, everything within the time space dimension, everything runs around in circle, whether it is karma or time or circle is something which actually talks about finishing of the phase. So making peace with that, because you're co-creating your life with the divine. Then we have divine healing, Hilarion, and it is saying honor your sensitivity. So see, I just said that something might have happened in your life which is creating a lot of mental trauma, and somehow you feel that you fighting your battle alone, but that's not the point. Everything is happening for your own healing, whether it was an unexpected thing that happened or something good or bad, whatever it is, because things are moving towards divine healing for your life. Honor your sensitivity, retreat to recharge and heal. Your light can support others. So you have amazing potential, and it is time for you to really understand that and make peace with your situation. Come back to your own self, understand that you're never alone, and there is divine healing happening around you. You might have got stuck with your karmic attack, or maybe you are stuck into your karmic pattern, but think everything will move. Everything is happening within the divine order, and everything will move within the divine order towards divine healing. So retreat, take a step back, stop overthinking, make peace, accept your situation, think about it, re-strategize, see how you were, and not to get too much into your past, but learn from your past, and so that you don't repeat those mistakes, okay? Then there are, before I go ahead with these cards, there is a crystal and an archangel which is guiding us. So the archangel is Archangel Sandalphon, and he says that the message here in this card is I am aligned with all the 4 elements and 4 directions. I am a conduit for healing. Again, this is a healing card. This is a healing card. Archangel Sandalphon is somebody who is said to be guiding our earth star chakra. So he's somebody who looks after music, our grounding thing. If you're feeling lost, you can call upon Archangel Sandalphon and get grounded in Mother Earth. He gets you connected to Mother Earth energy, okay? Mother Earth protective and nourishing energy. So, and that is how you receive spiritual insights, so that you can resolve the issues that are there in your life. So this is a very when Archangel Sandalphon comes into your reading, make music and grounding meditation and connecting with nature as your priority. So maybe you can from 24th of May to 31st of May, when this lunar eclipse is happening, when the Saturn retrograde is happening, make sure that you practice some grounding meditation. Make sure that you meditate with Archangel Sandalphon. You can invoke Archangel Sandalphon and be into his energy. You can practice earth element meditation. The link is there in the description box. And you'll feel that protection and that acceptance, something that you're not able to do, something that is keeping you lost, confused, and keeping you into that energy of overthinking. You will be able to get through that. Then the crystal which is guiding us this week is rutilated quartz. So the message here is, it is actually asking you a question: are you ready to move forward with your life? You have the courage within you to move ahead with your ideas by getting the wheels in motion to create your project or intention. Recognize the amazing, powerful person that you are and shine on. So I just said that. This card also was talking about your light can guide others. So retreat, heal yourself, make peace with your situation. You're co-creating your life with the divine. You're never alone. And this card, rutilated quartz, is also saying that you have that infinite potential, that courage to be able to handle the situation you are into. Whether people are supporting you, people are not supporting you, whether you feel alone or whatever, and in this invisible divine support is always there with you. Okay, so these are wonderful cards guiding us this week. Let's see 3 more messages that came for this week are from Good Tarot. The first one is 5 of Air. 5 of Air, if you can just see the whole image here, it is this fairy, this angel or fairy, whatever you can say, is actually flying high. She's flying high above the clouds of uncertainties, clouds of questions, clouds of not knowing things, clouds of criticism or whatever. 5 of Air is an energy, is a healing energy. It says that fly high from your situation. You have the power to fly high. It's a card of really retreating, getting into your own space, into your own silence, and retreat. Into your own retreat, into your own silence, meditate, connect back to the Mother Earth's energy, and revive and come back to what is actually important. Focus on what is actually important and ignore what needs to be ignored. Okay. Then comes the Chariot, and when you do all this, Chariot is the water uber. It says you will move forward. You'll see that once you get out of this current situation that you are into, in these 5 to 7 days, you will be, you'll actually see in the next 5 to 7 days, you'll start seeing that you're moving forward with that determination, with that courage. So if I talk about the keywords from here, it is you're co-creating life with the divine. There is divine order. Accept the situation, connect back to Mother Earth, meditate. You have that courage. Be courageous, be determined. Divine order and divine healing is around. So just retreat and heal yourself. Okay, and all this is happening because probably around you there is a lot of gossip, there is a lot of talking, there is a lot of criticism which is coming in a way. Something might have unexpected happened, and very swiftly happened, and you had to take actions that you never thought you can, or there are people gossiping around. So these 7-8 days you are going to heal yourself from that situation. Okay, and that may continue during this week also, but you'll prevail, you'll fly high, don't worry. There's divine healing, there's divinity around you. This is water uber. This is also saying that good and evil, you're balancing good and evil this week for sure. This week peace prevails in your life no matter what. So some bits of really removing that overthinking element from your aura. Okay. All right. Let's see what else do we have. I'm using the Rider-Waite tarot. There's a lot of communication, there's a lot of talking that is also happening around, because everything is happening within the divine order. Okay, so something might have even if something good is happening or bad is happening, please make sure, understand that you're not alone this week. For sure you are. See, again another water uber. This is Six of Swords. It is like you're actually moving towards calmer water. It is time for you to now focus on your life, and you're moving towards a calmer water. So peace is actually the theme. Peace and co-creation and moving forward is the theme. So Chariot as well as Six of Swords are the cards of, you might have been in the most abandoned situation or criticizing situation, but you're moving towards, you are going to fly high, make peace with the situation, and this week for sure you're going to move towards calmer water. Or there is travel also, because these three cards actually signify traveling also. Chariot, Six of Swords, and another Knight of Pentacles. Though things might seem to be very slow, slowly moving, or days you may find that days are moving very slowly, but it is actually moving towards something value. So these 8 days for sure, Saturn retrograde, let's in the next videos, coming up videos, I'll also be talking about Saturn retrograde on effects on your zodiac signs. But it is for sure, though it is a slow moving energy, but it is a valuable one which is going to bring about a lot of peace. At least for these 7-8 days, you will definitely have peace with your situation, a situation that came as, I don't know, but I mean very unexpectedly. Okay, then we have Magician here. It's the major arcana for Gemini as well as Virgo, especially Virgo. So it has an infinity sign here, if you can see. And Magician is somebody who has all the resources, the courage, the determination, the peace, the harmony, the knowledge, the acceptance, whatever we are talking about, whatever ingredients you need to live a good life, you already have. It's just that you have to collect yourself to move towards. So in case you're looking for movement in your business or in your money aspects, please follow all this. This is going to bring about a lot of change in these 7-8 days. Magician card as well as Knight of Pentacles, Six of Swords, Chariot, 8 of Wands. These are cards which are actually talking about moving forward. You're actually finishing your work and you're moving towards a better situation, a better place. If you're traveling, there can be somebody who would be traveling this week. So be careful. We have yet not finished with this corona thing, so just be careful about that. Otherwise, you already have all the resources to create the life that you want. Just collect yourself, because Magician actually works, has all the mind power. A magician uses his power of mind and creates his life. He's a manifester. He manifests things through his thoughts. So he has total control over his mind. So that is yet another important thing that we must note here. Okay. I'm pulling a few more cards. From 23rd to 31st, Page of Pentacles. Yeah, I just said that if in case you're looking for stability in your life, money wise or emotions wise, value wise, security you're looking for, there is communication you're looking for, a new beginning you're looking for. Page of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, Magician, Chariot, 8 of Eight of Wands, Six of Swords, all of this is actually talking about a new phase opening up. But when Pentacles come and Magician come, it is actually saying that you have to work hard towards it, mentally as well as physically. You will have to make a conscious effort to move out of that situation. Nobody else will do that. Yes, 50% work will be done by the divine order is there, divine is there, but if you don't put forward, if you don't make your own choices correctly, if you don't decide for your own self, if you don't love yourself, if you don't take action, things cannot move, right? So something you're moving towards, well, and yet another 10 of Pentacles. So I guess in case you are really somebody is struggling with money matters, or business matters, recognition matters, communication, having name, fame in the society or something, it's a good week for you. Something is definitely starting. People will recognize you for sure for your work. It's a good week for money, business, career, stability, value. If health you're talking about, yes, Wheel of Fortune. So I think in case you're talking about health, it is improving. Yet another card which is coming reverse is Queen of Swords. It seems that you are too much into your head. You're not able to think practically. You are being told to think practically, see through the truth. Only go for truth. Do not take any BS from people. Do not make the BS of people, the bullshits of people, or criticism of people the anchor of your life during these 7-8 days. So these 7-8 days, the first card that you got was peace. You have to make peace with the situation, and the last card you're getting is Queen of Swords in reverse, which is a card which talks about that see through the truth. Something you have to really dig into the truth, and the truth is that you're powerful. Okay, so do not let anybody's talks or anybody's action overpower your magician capacity, or page of pentacle capacity, or wheel of fortune capacity, because there are two tens here. That means definitely something you're finishing and you creating. Co-create was yet another card that you had got, and this is also a creation card. So you are actually creating life. You're moving forward with Chariot. And communication, in case you're waiting for some correspondence, legal, maybe money matters or property matters, it's a positive sign that I'm getting. Yes, definitely at the moment you are into, there is some acceptance and peace moving, and you may be feeling orphaned. So but that's not how you should really think about at the moment. Okay. Yeah, so that's it from my side, from 24th of May to 31st of May for you people. Stay tuned for the zodiac wise Saturn retrograde video, which I'll be soon posting. I hope you like this video. Do share it with your loved ones. Let me know in the comment box. And Earth element meditation link is already there in the description box. So yeah, take care. Bye bye.